P block elements. We are going to talk of group 15, 16, 17 and 18. This comes under chapter 7 for class 12. In group 15 elements, there are 5 elements: nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. The general electronic configuration Ns2Np3. The atomic and ionic radii increases down the group due to increase in shells. Their ionization enthalpy decreases down the group, and these groups has half field stability. It is easier to remove the third electron. More ionization enthalpy is required than the second and than the first. The electronegativity decreases down the group, nitrogen being most electronegative element in its group. Nitrogen and phosphorus are nonmetals, arsenic, antimony metalloids, and bismuth is metallic in nature. We go to the second slide. Here we talk of oxidation states for group 15 elements, which ranges from -3 to +5. Bismuth shows inert pair effect because the 5d10 and 4f electrons causes the shielding of 6s2 electrons. The anomalous property of nitrogen is due to 3 important points, 3 properties: small size of nitrogen, absence of d shell in nitrogen, and high polarizing power of nitrogen. The reactivity of group 15 elements with oxygen, they form E2O3 or E2O5, where E represents group 15 elements. The oxides of nitrogen and phosphorus are acidic in nature. Arsenic and antimony are amphoteric in nature. The oxides of bismuth are basic in nature due to low ionization enthalpy. Reactivity with hydrogen, they generally form EH3. Basicity and thermal stability is in this order: NH3 greater basic and highly thermally stable than PH3, ASH3, antimony H3 and bismuth hydride. The reactivity with halogens, they form compounds in +3 and +5 state. EX3, where E represents group 15 elements. They are pyramidal in shape with a lone pair on the top. And EX5 have the sp3 trigonal bipyramidal shape. Next slide talks of group 16 elements. They are also called chalcogens. They are ore forming compounds. Oxygen family consists of oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. Their general electronic configuration is Ns2Np4. The atomic and ionic radii increases down the group. The ionization enthalpy decreases down the group. Oxygen, most electronegative atom. The other elements are low electronegative. But oxygen electron gain enthalpy is less than that of sulfur due to its compact nature. Oxygen and sulfur are nonmetals. Selenium, tellurium metalloids and polonium are metals. Polonium is radioactive metal. The general oxidation state ranges from -2, +2, +4 and +6. We move to the next slide. Anomalous property of oxygen is due to small size of oxygen, absence of d shell, high polarizing power. The reactivity towards oxygen, the other elements of the group reacts with oxygen to form dioxides and trioxides. Reactivity towards hydrogen, they form H2O, H2S, H2 selenium, hydrogen telluride. Acidity character increases down the group because the dissociation enthalpy decreases down the group. Thermal stability and boiling point of water is high due to hydrogen bonding. Then it decreases down the group. Reactivity towards halogens, they form EX2 compounds, EX4 and EX6. Stability of fluorides, chlorides, bromides, iodides are given in the order. OF2 is the only compound where oxygen has +2 electronic configuration. Now we go on to group 17 elements, which consist of fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astenine. Astenine being radioactive. General electronic configuration is NS2NP5. The atomic and ionic radii increases down the group as new shell is being added. The ionization enthalpy decreases down the group as the size increases. Electron gain enthalpy of fluorine is less than electron gain enthalpy of chlorine due to smaller size of fluorine and high interelectronic repulsion in fluorine. Electronegativity of fluorine is highest. All are non-metals. Astenine is radioactive. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, where fluorine, chlorine exist as gases, bromine as liquid, iodine as solid. They are all colored compounds. Fluorine, chlorine yellow color, bromine brown color and iodine violet color. Oxidation states ranges from -1 to +7. The anomalous behavior of fluorine is due to small size of fluorine, absence of d shell and high polarizing power of fluorine. Reactivity towards hydrogen. They form HF, HCl, HBr and HI compounds. Acidity increases down the group and stability is greatest for HF. Reactivity towards oxygen. The oxidation states are +1, +3 and +7. Reactivity towards halogens, they form interhalogen compounds XX1, XX3 and XX5, XX7, where X and X both are halogens. Group 18 elements consist of helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Their general electronic configuration NS2, NP6 except for helium which has 1s2. The ionization enthalpy is high because its octet is completed, but it decreases down the group as size increases. Atomic and ionic radius increases down the group as new shells are being added. They are monoatomic, colorless, odorless gas sparingly soluble in water. Neil Bartlett discovered oxygen platinum fluoride with ionization enthalpy of molecular oxygen being 1175 kilojoules per mole. Instead of oxygen, he took xenon platinum fluoride, where ionization enthalpy of xenon is 1170 kilojoules per mole, lower than molecular oxygen. So, xenon does form compounds with fluorine and oxygen. Xenon fluoride at 673 K and 1 bar is formed. It has a linear structure. Xenon fluoride at 873 K and 7 bar has square planar structure. Xenon fluoride, hexafluoride, has distorted octahedral structure. It is formed at 573 K and 70 bar. Thank you.